See, paragliders, tandem, they don't have a problem in the zero light wind because their flying speed and the glide ratio is slower and smaller. They generally walk away.
I haven't had smooth air like this here.
A little bit of a knee slapper there.
Mounting. Mounting police. Ovako slika za memoare, Katarina. Joj, kakva ženska zgodna glajdera stoji, video. Ovo stavi na Facebook ići. Video ga sata sam, nisam nikad vidio Vatas uživo kako je. Laj. Je, ja ga ne vidim. Aha. Ide brzo i sporo propada. Ima glide ratio perfektan. Ali on ima i landehilfe, landeklapen. Ništa, uspravlja se. Ja, izvlači se iz vreće. Sad ćeš kad izvuče one landeklapne.
Garant je mogu još biti gore, samo...
Oh yeah. See the ailerons?
Nema vjetra, nema.
A little. See? The flaps goes up, now the right one. That's how he steers. And the pitch is still up and down. High grass, but a nice landing. There you go, man. See? Light wind, tall grass, if you know how to, not like me, still have a nice, safe landing. Oh well. Evo Tamare.
Ja mislim žensko.
Ovo je Tamara. Što ona tanka, čovječe?
Što ona mene nervira. Glas.
Nemoj tako biti. This guy is pretty close to the treetops, it looks like that. But he's gonna be short.
Why everybody is going into the long grass?
You know why? Because you misjudged, see? That's the nose whack. You know why? You misjudged the glide ratio. You think you're gonna reach it, but you never reach it. So it's good deal what Beverly really said. It's to go higher and then make a figure eights, left, right, and then just point it straight when you're ready to. Vidimo njenu tetovažu, ali dobro.